I've gotten a lot of questions regarding how do you rebuild trust, right?
Okay.
And you and I have gone through like some serious stuff, where trust was broken on my part and your part.
Yeah.
And, when I think back to the situation, there was a lot of insecurity that it brought within.
Yeah.
But sometimes that broken trust is deeper than the situation itself.
Right.
And let me just explain that, because it can also affect the way the relationship goes from that point on once the trust is broken. Because not only was the trust broken with you from me, but I also had trust issues because
of your childhood.
Of my childhood.
Yeah.
So not only did I have to work on building my trust with you, I had to also forgive my dad and work on that healing as well. And some people have a difficult time when trust is broken in the relationship because they don't realize that the trust is also stemming from something that happened a long time ago, and they're not even aware of it. Like, I was unaware of it.